students, welcome back from spring break. We are now officially in phase 2 of remote or distance learning, so this is our welcome video. I've decided to change the format of the welcome video a little bit. Instead of going through the whole agenda, that was just taking too long and it's kind of boring and you can read the agenda for yourself. I'm just gonna say hi, welcome, give you any quick little updates, and then answer the door question, and then just let you read the agenda yourselves. If any of the agenda items need further explanation, instead of doing it in the welcome video, I'm going to create a separate video and attach that to the specific Google Classroom document. That way my welcome video isn't like 10 minutes because that's kind of boring and then you have to skip through it to try to find what you're looking for. So that's our new format for the welcome videos from here on out. As for announcements this week, earlier I emailed you and your parents talking about phase 2 of remote learning. In that email, I mentioned office hours, which are going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you could check the email for the specific times. All this is it's a set amount of time. It's an hour and a half on Tuesday and on Thursday where I am going to be at my computer ready to answer your emails right away or set up a video conference if needed to help you with something. Of course, though, I'm always checking my emails, so you can ask questions on the other days as well, and I have been trying to get back to you as quickly as I can. So office hours are just the times that I've dedicated to really be in front of my computer and to respond to you right away or do video conferencing. If you have questions on other days, though, please don't wait to email me. Email me, and I usually get back to you pretty quickly. Also, now that we're in phase 2, all work is going to be going into the gradebook and it's going to be graded. So the gradebook's going to look the same as it has looked with, 3s and 2s and 1s and an M for missing. Please make sure you turn in all of your work by 3 o'clock on Fridays because that's when I will start entering in the grades and giving feedback. Now for the door question for this week. The door question is, what is your favorite room in your house and why? I thought this was a good question, being that we've all been in our houses for so long. So for me, my answer is my favorite room is the kitchen because that's where the food is and that's where I make tea and I like those things. So that's it. Make sure you answer the door question on Google Classroom because that's what I use kind of as attendance to make sure that you've at least checked in on Google Classroom, and then do the assignments at your own pace and make sure you submit them by Friday at 3. Have a great week. Bye.